everyone. Today I am going to explain you an interesting poem, The Last Bargain. It has been composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Bargain means an agreement to buy or to sell or to exchange something. The poem is about someone looking for job. However, he wants to be hired without losing his freedom. The poet tells us that the man received offers from rich, the powerful king and beautiful lady, but he rejected all the offers. At last, he met an innocent child. He immediately accepted his offer. Okay, so let's start now. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning I was walking on the stone-paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. Okay? So, in this stanza, the poet says, when he was walking on the stony road, stone paved road means stony road, he cried, come and hire me. Firstly, a king came there with a sword in his hand. He held his hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But the man felt that the king's power was not worth much, so he refused the king's offer. Okay, next stanza. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighted his coins one by one, but I turned away. Okay. In the second stanza, the poet says that it was the time of midday, when the doors of houses were shut. It was really very hot. He wandered along the crooked lane. Crooked means curved. Okay. Curved street. An old man offered him a lot of gold in return for his labor. He weighted his coins one by one, but the man was not much impressed. The money did not attract him, so he refused that offer. Next, it was evening. The garden haze was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. Okay. So, now it was the time of evening. There were flowers in the haze. There was natural beauty all around. A beautiful girl came to the man. She gave a pretty smile. She offered to give the man her smile in return for his labor, but her smile faded and melted into tears, and she went alone into the dark. Okay. Next, the man found that her happiness was only sorrow, so he refused that offer also. Okay. Now next, the sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play. made me a free man. Henceforward means after that. Okay. At last the poet says the man came to the seashore where the sun was shining on the sand and the sea waves broke the wavelength. There he found a child playing with shells. He raised his head and offered to take his services in return for nothing. The man accepted the offer because while playing with the child, he was still a free man. Okay, so I think you will have understood the poem. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.